sugar plus stress, that combo can inflame your body faster than you can say holiday season. So let's fix that. If you want to enjoy the holidays without the energy crashes, bloating, brain fog, or pain flare-ups, this is for you. Hi, I'm Renee, and I'm here at the Natural Healing Center. If you feel like every holiday season sets your body back, you're not imagining it. Because between sugar, stress, late nights, alcohol, travel, and all those emotions, your inflammation can quietly skyrocket. And for many women, that means more pain, more bloating, more fatigue, more anxiety, sleep issues, digestive chaos, flare-ups that can take weeks to calm down. But the good news, you can enjoy the season and keep inflammation low with just a few simple shifts. Your body is facing several inflammation triggers all at once. So every cookie, treat, and festive drink spikes the blood sugar, and then inflammation rises for up to 24 hours. Holiday expectations, family dynamics, financial pressure, and planning all raise stress hormones like cortisol, which makes your body hold that inflammation. So the late nights, the travel, and social events, they reduce your body's ability to repair itself. Even just one glass of wine slows liver detox, letting that inflammation continue to build. And when the holidays become sensory overload, combined with overcommitting, your nervous system gets stressed and inflammation rises even more. So this is why your symptoms flare. This is why you feel awful even though you're trying. So before we talk tactics, we need a mindset shift. You don't need to be perfect to make progress. You just need simple guardrails. This is about reducing inflammation, not eliminating the joy. Your body doesn't need restriction, it just needs support. Many people make 3 common mistakes during the holidays. First, that saving the calories during the day. That often leads to overeating, sugar cravings, and blood sugar spikes. Second, promising yourself just one treat often backfires, sending cravings and inflammation cascading through the weekend. And third, ignoring your stress threshold and overcommitting leads to inflammation, symptom flare, guilt, and a repeating cycle. So you can break this cycle with a few smart moves. So here are 6 simple ways to reduce holiday inflammation. Always begin meals or parties with protein like chicken, turkey, shrimp, nuts, eggs, or hummus. Protein stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings dramatically. If you want a cookie or dessert, eat it after protein and fat, not on an empty stomach. This alone will reduce inflammation by 30 to 40%. Stay hydrated before events with 8 ounces of water and a pinch of minerals or electrolytes to prevent that dehydration, headaches, and inflammation. Now, if you drink alcohol, follow the 2-drink rule. Enjoy 1 drink slowly, then switch to sparkling water with electrolytes in between. Your liver will thank you. Build micro moments of calm for your nervous system. Slow breathing, stepping outside for 60 seconds, a quick bathroom grounding, or a short walk. These small resets will lower cortisol and reduce inflammation. So listen to your body. Practicing just one no boundary this season can dramatically reduce inflammation. Because you are human, you may overeat, overdrink, or overstress. So when that happens, hydrate with minerals to flush that inflammatory buildup. Eat 1 high protein meal to stabilize blood sugar. Take a warm shower and go to bed early to repair that inflammation. And do 10 deep breaths to signal your body that it's safe and can heal. No shame, no guilt, just reset. If you have chronic pain, autoimmune-like symptoms, gut issues, you react easily to foods, feel inflamed even outside the holidays, you're tired of being told your labs are normal, or you don't want to rely on medications for life, your body may need deeper root cause support. So there is a way to calm inflammation naturally, safely, and long-term without medications, without guessing, and without extreme diets. That's what we do here at the Natural Healing Center. So through natural healing and nutrition response testing, we create a customized plan based on what your body actually needs to heal. So if you want help navigating inflammation, not just during the holidays, but all year, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me. We'll talk through your symptoms, what you've tried, and the next best step for your body. You deserve to enjoy the holidays and feel good in your body. So let's get you there.